Happy Friday everyone, newborn investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, no clear direction. SPY and QQQ was gapping down and now it's curling back up. Tesla staying strong, so I think today would be a tough day of trading. No buyers going into market open, so I'll wait for market open to see how both SPY and QQQ reacts and then define my trades based off that. We do have around 8 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching SPY. 380 would be a level of resistance. Staying strong, not giving a pullback. Wow. Missed it completely. 870 I got it. $890 I got out. That was a quick scalp. I got out quickly because SPX was approaching a resistance on the daily. I think it's consolidating for a breakout, but very risky now. Definitely going to break out now. Feeling FOMO here. I got in around 850. I may have to wait. No setups now. I may be buying the top. On a Friday, I don't want to take such a risky setup. Big upper wick. If it wants to give me a pullback, I'll be interested. SPY staying strong. Tesla making a big flush. Just take a look at Tesla. It's continuing to flush. Tried again and failed, but if it wants to try again, I'll be interested. Trying to get in around 710. I'm in. Stop would be low of this candle. Selling one at 750. Breakout. Out for now. I did not like how it was hesitating to break out. I was quick because we were buying near the top. It's a risky trade. It should either break out or bail out. I'll stay away for now. Being a Friday, I don't want to take Too many risks? It just broke out. Next resistance is around 385 and SPX may try to test 3850. See how it faked out. I think with this kind of price action, it's better to close the shop and run with the profits. Especially being a Friday, you don't want to go into the weekend with a bad trade. So I think I'll wrap it up for today. An okay day of trading, making around $130 in 30 minutes. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basics and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.